Hello folks, what we're going to be doing today is a little experiment. It'll be a multi-month experiment. You'll be along for every single step. But what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be trying to grow your own lemon tree from seed. Now I saw this on the YouTube shorts. We aren't in a warm enough climate to have the tree outside, but what he said, you can have it in a little pot that you can bring in after the summer's over in early fall, at least for upper East Tennessee. Now down in Tennessee you might be able to, but here in upper East Tennessee that ain't gonna work. But aside from what you can do cooking with it, lemons are really good for your body and your health. They're low in calories. Like, you can have you some lemon water, and they are high in vitamins like B6, iron, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. And the health benefits are it helps with your weight control, heart healthy. Now, before I go any further, I should say I am no doctor. As you can tell, I am no doctor, but this is just from all the research that I've done, what lemons are good for. But let me get back to that. It helps with kidney stones, helps with anemia if you are anemic, helps with cancers, helps with digestive system. Now, since I've had that gallbladder surgery, I've had a lot of digestive problems. Hopefully maybe this would help. Helps give you energy, helps with your immune system, like if you get sick a lot. I scratch my nose as soon as I do that. Helps with joint pains and skin and hair health. But let's get started. I'll show you what we're going to do. Now, what we're going to be doing is I cut this lemon in half. We're going to take the seed out of there, and I'll put it in my handy dandy water thing right here. Now you're going to put this in there for 2 hours. It said even you can leave it about 2 or 3 hours, but no longer than that. There we go. Now we're going to leave that for 2 hours, and we'll be back. Be right back. It'll be 2 hours for me, be a few seconds for you. Alright, it's been 2 hours. We're going to take the seeds out of the water. I drained the water off there so it'd be easier to get to the seeds. Now, after we put this in the towel and put it in the little Ziploc baggie, we'll put it somewhere cool and dark for a week, and we'll see what the results are. Hello folks, it's not been quite a week yet. It's been more like 2. Opened it up at 1 week and it hadn't really sprouted yet, so I gave it another week. So you'll get to see with me here what it looks like. There we go. Open up the paper towel here. Look at that. We got them sprouted. Now I'll go get some dirt and we'll plant these, and then we'll wait for the next step. Alright, now we got our dirt here. All we're going to do is we're going to make a hole right here, and we're going to plant the seed tail down, like up there. Cover it up here. Just push it down. Don't push it down a lot. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to keep the soil moist, and we're going to put a little top over it to just keep it humid. Just make a little greenhouse for it. Alright, whenever it pops up, you're just going to take the top off there, and what you're going to do after it gets to 12 inches tall, you're going to put it in a bigger pot. But for right now, we'll get all of these potted up, and whenever it gets to the next step, we'll show you. Alright folks, now I cut the bottoms off of the soda bottles, but all we're going to do is we're just going to put this over top where the seedling's at. Now you're going to want to keep the soil nice and moist. All this is doing right here is just, it's making a little mini greenhouse for it. We'll do that to all of them. But after it starts coming up, I'll show you the next step. Alrighty folks, I thought I had another piece to that video, but I must not have. Either that or it got lost on the camera thing. I can't find it, but I was telling y'all about some people even use like chamomile tea to help strengthen the leaves and the plant, but I think what I'm going to do, it's worked out great for everything else that we used, is that stuff that Anita at Flower Folk Farms, that she uses, that lactic acid bacteria, I hope I'm saying it right, LAB lab, but use some of that, I believe, and I think that'd be just the same thing. And again, I want to tell y'all, like us, like certain people's gonna have different climates. Some of you will be able to plant this in the ground, some of you won't. Like here in Northeast Tennessee, we won't be able to have it out all year long. But you can probably, we're going to plant it in one of them little barrel things where you can bring in every single late fall and early winter. But yeah, I think it'll work out good. They're doing good so far. Next video you'll see, hopefully they'll be really up. But I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope y'all learned something. If you try this, let me know. If you've tried it before, let me know too. But lemons, they have a bunch of health benefits. But again, I don't want to bore y'all with my talking. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Hey, it's Friday. I hope y'all have a great weekend. Stay safe. Be careful this weekend. It'll be 4th of July weekend. I can't talk. But y'all be careful. If you travel, stay safe. If you light off any fireworks, be careful with that too. But I hope y'all have a great and safe weekend and have fun. But y'all be careful. And we'll see y'all Monday. Thank you again for watching.